Emptying the wastebasket, my eyes landed on the cardboard cylinder that toilet paper is wrapped around. My brain whispered an invitation. What if? I took the overlooked cardboard tube and cut it. Einstein said imagination circles the world while knowledge just stands there. Let's test that theory. The toilet paper roll didn't come with instructions. No blueprint for becoming a greeting card. Just a hunch that the cylinder could become something it was never meant to be. Knowledge tells me how pop-ups work. Imagination asks, is this possible? I saw a pot. Flowers erupting outward. A pop-up card that makes someone smile. First, the pot takes shape. Step by step, this humble cylinder opens, bends, and rises into a flower pot. Then, the mechanics. How will stems spring to life? Sequences pretend to be flowers. And suddenly, a cardboard cylinder becomes a celebration. This is what happens when you give curiosity permission to play. Knowledge gave me the tools. Imagination gave me the vision. The world doesn't need more people who know things. It needs more people who wonder, what if? Next time you see something, pause. Just for a second. Ask yourself, what else could this become? What will your imagination rescue today?